Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ankita and today we are going to discuss about the legal position of the director. As you know, in previous video we discussed about the directors, disqualification of director, appointment of directors, types of directors and the various provisions according to which are the provisions for the directors. So in now this video we are going to discuss about the legal position of directors and key managerial persons. So let's start. Directors are the person duly appointed by the company to direct and manage the affairs of the company. जो डायरेक्टर होता है जो डायरेक्टर होता है वो इसलिए अपॉइंट किया जाता है कि वो कंपनी के जो अफेयर्स हैं उन्हें डायरेक्ट करे और उन्हें मैनेज करे. So their legal position sometimes described as a trustee, sometimes as a managing partner, sometimes as an agent. So let's all the three discuss in detail. Director as an agent. Directors are viewed as agent as they conduct the business of the company. As company cannot act by itself, therefore it acts through its directors. As we all know that the company is an artificial existence, therefore the company cannot run its own. Therefore the company is directed by the directors. And also make company liable on it, not themselves. Means all the liabilities to the company are only for the company. The directors are not liable for that liabilities. Like an agent, director has to conduct the business with skill and care. जैसे एक एजेंट होता है जो कि अपने काम को बड़े इजीली करता है, बड़े स्किलफुली करता है, केयरली करता है, वैसे जो डायरेक्टर होता है उसको ऐसे ही डायरेक्टर का काम होता है कि वो अपना काम बड़े स्किलफुली करे और केयरली करे. बिकॉज दे आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर ऑल द कंपनीज एसेट्स, प्रॉफिट्स और लॉसेज एंड ऑल द लायबिलिटीज मेड बाय द कंपनी. देयरफॉर द डायरेक्टर्स हैव टू maintain the work, have to work with the care and skillful. They cannot deal their own because they are the agents of the company. Therefore they have to they do not can take decisions by their own. They have to hold the meetings and pass the resolutions for any type of the matter. They have to disclose all the facts which are under the public interest. If there is something which can be affect the public interest, therefore the company directors have to disclose all the facts. Now, director as a trustee. Director are also described as a trustee of the company. They must account for all the monies over which are the exercise and control. जो डायरेक्टर्स होते हैं वो ट्रस्टी होती है कंपनी के, और वो जिस तरीके की मनी जो भी उनके पास आता है, जो भी काम करते हैं, जिस चीज को वो कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं, उनके लिए वो अकाउंटेबल होते हैं, उनके लिए प्रति वो जिम्मेदार होते हैं, जवाबदेही होते हैं. दे एक्ट एंड डीलिंग मस्ट बी बेनिफिट्स ऑफ द कंपनी. जो एक्ट्स है उनके, जो एक्ट्स है वो मस्ट बी बेनिफिट्स ऑफ द कंपनी होनी चाहिए. अगर वो बेनिफिट्स नहीं है तो दे कैन नॉट बी एक्ट एज अ ट्रस्टी. They must exercise their power honestly in the interest of the company and all the shareholders. They have to exercise their interest only in the interest of the company and the shareholders, not their own personal interest. They cannot use the company's power, director's power as a director's power for their own interest. They have to use that powers only for company's interest. They are trustee for the companies with reference to their power of applying funds. For misuse of, they could be liable as a trustee. If they misuse their powers, if they do not do their work as prescribed, they are liable as a trustee. Now, director as managing partner. Director represents. Now, the director as a managing partners. Director represents the shareholders to conduct the business on their behalf. जो डायरेक्टर्स होते हैं वो शेयर होल्डर्स को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं और अपने जो बिजनेस को कंडक्ट करते हैं शेयर होल्डर्स के बिहाफ पे. दे एंजॉय द वास्ट पावर ऑफ द मैनेजमेंट ओवर द कंपनी. वो बहुत ज़्यादा वास्ट पावर एंजॉय करते हैं ऑफ मैनेजमेंट की ऑफ द कंपनी एंड परफॉर्म मैनी फंक्शंस विच आर इन द नेचर ऑफ प्रोप्राइटरी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अलॉटमेंट ऑफ शेयर्स, रेजिंग ऑफ फंड्स एंड इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑफ फंड्स. नाउ इन कंक्लूजन, in the real sense, the directors are not the agent, nor the trustee, and not the managing partners. The position of the director are all of some of these three, and more than that. Director of the company have fiduciary relationship with companies as well as the shareholders. Now, what is the fiduciary relationship? Now, what is a fiduciary relationship? A relationship in which one party places special trust, confidence, and reliance in is influenced by another who has a fiduciary duty to act for the benefit of the party. Means in which the one party shows the interest, shows the confidence, shows the trust to the another, and so that they can act as a director. They can act on their behalf. Therefore, it is a fiduciary relationship. Now, what are the key managerial persons? Now, what is key managerial person? Key managerial person in relation to company are the Chief Executive Officer, MD, Managing Director, Company Secretary, the whole-time Director, CFO, Chief Financial Officer. Such an officer who is full-time employment one level below the Director is designated as KMP. Means any other person who is full-time employment in the company but has the one level below than the Director or designated as a KMP. Section number 169 does not allow the simultaneous appointment of MD and manager. जो 169 है 196 है सेक्शन, वो दोनों मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर और मैनेजर को साथ में अपॉइंट होने की वो नहीं इजाज़त नहीं देता. लेकिन कोई कंपनी जो है वो मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर एक से ज़्यादा अपॉइंट कर सकते हैं. बट द कंपनी कैन परमिट टू अपॉइंट मोर देन वन मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर. Appointment of KMP means key managerial person. Every listed company and every public company which have share capital of 10 crore. Means listed company means the private companies which are listed with the ROC, or the public companies which have the share capital of 10 crore rupees or more shall have the following whole time KMPs: MD, CEO, manager in the absence of the whole-time director, CS, company secretary, and CFO, chief financial officers. So these are the legal position of the director and the key managerial persons. Thank you.